Hello SiLLibakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. My focus is to incorporate more protein, more fiber, and more healthy fats in my life, and I am here to share some recipes that have been working for me with you. So today's recipe is a veggie cottage cheese bread. It is phenomenal. It is so good. It is something that I highly recommend that you make. This recipe is about 130 calories per slice. It has 9 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber and a lot of healthy fats from the seeds that are in the recipe. This is also a customizable recipe. The veggies that I chose in the recipe are grated carrots and grated zucchini, but you can do riced cauliflower, rice broccoli, you can do a grated sweet potato, you can chop up some spinach. It is so customizable. And also, the one thing I would say is if you are deciding to do other veggies rather than what I chose here, I just recommend that you ensure that whatever is going in doesn't have too much moisture. So I did the zucchini, but I did squeeze out all the extra water from the zucchini. We don't want to add any more moisture because there is enough from the eggs and the cottage cheese. So if you are using veggies from your freezer and you're thawing them out, I would just pat them dry before you chop them really finely or you use them in the recipe. This recipe is so incredibly easy. It is a 1-bowl recipe. You probably have most of the ingredients already. It is something that you just throw onto your sheet pan. You just create like a loaf kind of shape to it, and you throw it in the oven for about an hour. It serves about 12, and again, it is just something that I think you are all gonna love. My husband loved it, my mother loved it, and is something that I'm going to make over and over again. So why don't we make this incredibly easy veggie cottage cheese bread? You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. You're going to grab a large bowl, as well as a whisk, and you will need a spatula as well. You're going to add 2 large eggs, 1 cup of cottage cheese. This is a 2% lactose free, use whatever you like. 1/4 cup of Parmigiano. We're adding salt, and my herb of choice here is herb de Provence, as well as some garlic powder. Also, please add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I did forget to film that. And you want to give that a good mix. You can add whatever herbs you like. Dried oregano, dried rosemary. This is 1 cup of grated zucchini with the excess water removed. We're adding 1.5 cups of grated carrot. And we're just gonna mix that through until it's just combined. Next, we're adding 2 cups of sprouted gluten-free rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, 1/3 a cup of unsalted pumpkin seeds, 1/3 a cup of unsalted sunflower seeds, and 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. They can be toasted if you like. And we're just going to mix that and incorporate it through. We just want to ensure that all of the dry ingredients are hydrated. Next, we're going to pile that onto your baking sheet, and we're just going to create a loaf type shape. The height that I chose here of the loaf is about 2 inches. You can do 2 to 3 inches, and you want to ensure that it is an even thickness across. Next, I'm going to sprinkle 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds on the top for a little extra crunch, a little extra protein and nutrients. And now we're gonna bake. 350 for 50 to 60 minutes. You want it to be really nice and golden brown, and when you insert a toothpick, it comes out clean and dry. You can serve this with eggs, with more veggies, completely up to you. Enjoy our veggie cottage cheese bread. So good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try our veggie cottage cheese bread, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.